Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to work on Google Keeps. Okay, um, if you're on your laptop or PC or your Mac and you are using any of the Google suite products like the Gmail, for instance, like you're seeing now, you can click on the nine dots at the corner here, and then you scroll through. You see Keep. Okay, so you click on Keep, then it will load the Keep page for you. All right. Now, when you go in for the first time, you're not going to see anything in there. You may just see one single note that may have some demo stuff written on them. Okay. And if you want to type in the address yourself, also you can type in keep.google.com and it will bring you to this same place. Okay. So good. Now I'm going to show you how to create a keep note. All right. So you just click inside the notes here, and then immediately it creates a note for you, so you can give it a title, and then you can write your note in there. Okay, so we know we're going to use the keep for our planning, okay, for our report writing with our teachers. In case I am working on a keep and then I get tired and I want to go have a short break and come back, I can set a reminder, okay, to have keep send me an email, okay, that I still have some work to do, so it can remind me. And since we'll be working with our teachers, we'll be adding our teachers to the note or the plan that we'll be creating. And to do that, you click on this little icon here, collaborator. So if I click on it, I can type the name of the teacher here, and then it will add that teacher. So let's say, for instance, I want to add Madam Rukaya. No, I want to add the support email. Okay, so I can do that. All right, so I can click that and you can see, okay, it's added the email. So when I click save, okay, now that person also becomes part of this keep, and the person will receive an email. So when the person receive an email, they're going to be able to come to this document and they can work with me together on this document. Okay, so you'll be adding your teachers to the keep that you'll be creating. You can use here to change the color of the notes you're working on. Okay, there are a few colors you can select from. All right, I'm going to leave it on yellow. And then also you can add an image here. So you click here, you can select a picture from your desktop, okay, to add to it. All right, you can archive it, or if you want more options there, here you can delete it, add a label, make a copy, show tick boxes, or copy to Google Docs. You're only going to copy to Google Docs after you've put out or laid out all your plan and your teacher has approved it. So once your teacher approves your plan, you can then go ahead, right, and then copy to Google Docs. The moment you click on copy to Google Docs, it will automatically create a Google Docs for you. You can see on the corner here, copying to Google Docs, and then open Google Docs. So it automatically creates that Google Doc sheet for you, all right, by itself. So once you're done with your planning and your teacher approves your plan, you can share it to Google Docs or copy to Google Docs, and then you continue working from there. Here you can see tick boxes, okay? So tick boxes will help you with your planning also if you are itemizing your steps, all right? So I can put here, okay, for um, here for the first day, I'll type my title, maybe title. On the second day, I will type my first paragraph. Okay. On the third day, I will complete the paragraph. All right, so in that order, so you can do that. Now once each step is done, you can just come tick the box and it crosses it out. So you see one completed item, it's crossed it out and taken it out of my list. So you can even create one list, all right, where it will help you see what you're doing, and then you can create another one where you can do your planning on. All right, once I'm done, I can click on close and it automatically save it for me. So it saves automatically, and I do not have to um, click on any save. It does that. I just click on close and it is done. And you can see it is still shared with the person I shared it with. Whilst I am on break, that person could still be on this document, I mean this keep, all right, and be working on it. So that is fine. You can pin it, all right. Once you pin it, it means that is important to you. You want it to load first, just in case you have a lot of the keep down there, all right, it won't mix up with it, but it will stay on top once you pin it. Okay, so yeah, this is just how to use the Google Keep, all right, to do your planning so that you can share with your teachers. Have fun with it, and if you have any challenges, just let me know. Thank you very much.